Hello everyone and welcome back to my Total War Warhammer Let's Play as Wurzzag with the Seal Faith Overhaul mod. We continue where we left things off. We are about to try and clear out this Chaos Rebellion, I think it was, using the reinforcements of our army, and this we should be able to clear it out pretty easily. Let's this balance of power bar makes me nervous, so I'm going to fight it myself. Because there's no reason that we should do poorly here, and they don't want to take any chances. So let's clear it out, and then we'll end the turn because we have nothing left to do, I believe. So, oh, we have the war army here as well, right from the start. That's crazy. Okay. Let's do this here. Alright, let's move everything out of the way so I can see a little clearer. Let's get this infantry here. Let's get a couple of these guys over here. Archers right here. You guys over here. Oh, you guys don't get Vanguard, okay. I thought you guys did. I thought that just said that they got Vanguard deployment in the loading screen. Interesting. You guys are in group 4. And in skirmish mode. We've got our lords up here. And our trolls and our Ragnarok spider. Alright. You guys are going to shoot down these two chariots because I hate them. You guys come over here. Let's move the archers up. I think in fact we're going to put our monstrous infantry in the front. Alright, you guys like this. Easy. Should be rapid cleanup from here. Oh yeah, easy cleanup. Clear this, you guys. Let's make sure we get everyone, huh? Alright. Speed it up, hopefully we can catch them. But no, it doesn't look like it. Alright, let's end the battle. Alright. The balance bar. You might lose this battle. Alright, let's replenish. Alright, let's clear him out completely. That's nice. Let's make sure we get back into Gantamingo. And I'm gonna do this for now. You are gonna go over here. We still need to build something over here. Yeah, so it's end the turn. Yep, that's fine. What? He just destroyed what was it, Azag the Slaughterer's army? Which looked like a full, almost a full stack with like 5 units. Does he have like 5 Iron Breakers or something? Oh yeah. We really need to get rid of these beastmen. We really do need the obedience now, so let's do that. So, I am tempted to go for the quest, but since my army's not at full for now, I'm just gonna chase him. Well, at least we are slowly improving the chaos corruption. So let's get this. Let's get this first. And here, do we know what we're gonna build? Still no, huh? Maybe we'll build a troll cave. Maybe we'll build a shaman's hut. I'm not sure. Oh, we have a. A war boss that must have come back from being injured, because I don't remember him from before. It's a lot of units. Yeah. Yep, that's about all we're going to be able to do this turn, unfortunately. Hard game so far. It's been hard to get where I want to go. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, he's going after my war army. That's better. Yeah. I'm actually gonna fight that one because I think I can win it. Though Ungrim is probably gonna kill me, but the rest of his army is weak enough that I can destroy everything. It basically comes down to whether Ungrim can solo me or not. So, oh, look at that. Why don't we have archers up here? Taking pot shots from so far away they'd never hit anything. So, let's get these guys over here. Wait, do we know where the dwarven army is? Is it over here? Is it somewhere over here? Yeah. Yep, this is where they are. Okay. So we are going to hide like so. We're going to put 2 units here, 2 units over here, right here. One unit of archers on each side, and our cavalry is over here. And we're going to wait for them to come in, and then we will attack their catapults with the cavalry. It's actually... Come on. There we go. Now let's peek out. Oh, it's interesting. We can see them, but they can't see us. Alright, so... we see Ungrim, we see... Oh, they see me. And now they're coming this way, of course. So, let's try and draw them in. Oh, they're heading back this way. Okay, perfect. Alright, I think they're committed enough that I can push out. So fucking hard to select units here because there's something that is blocking my line of sight. Come on, how have I not wiped out this catapult unit yet? Seriously. I've barely done any damage to them. How is that possible? Really? You dragged like half the unit with you? How'd that happen? And come on, like, how's this happening? Single crawler over here. Hopefully this will be decisive now that they're engaged. And guys, run back. Can I get out this way? Looks like it. Looks like he's going to continue chasing. Come on. It's like 9 dwarves. There's 58 of you. Please, kill them. Alright, you should go over here. Alright. Never mind. No, come on. Can't even get in position before he's going to be out of line of sight. So... he has so much armor. Unbreakable Ungrim Iron Fist. So hard to kill units that are unbreakable. Particularly lords. We're probably killing more of our own men with these arrows than we're inflicting damage on Ungrim, but that's okay. Let's go a little bit faster. This is getting a little tiresome. Come on. This thing right here, this brazier. Brazier? I don't know what it's called. It's just stopping me from doing the maneuvers that I want. Alright, fine. Come on. Let's kill him, boys. He's low enough that we can afford to be idiots right now. Hit points. There we go. Good old Ungrim. 159 kills, Jesus. That hero is no joke. Both these guys got 0 kills because all they gotta fight was Ungrim. This guy's 2 kills, 1 kill. One of those is probably Ungrim. Alright, replenish. Oh, and here comes Grimgore, huh? They want peace and they're offering me money. Fine, I'll take peace for now. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's also fine. I wish they'd just take it so I could be done with it. I'm still gonna send you after him. Weaken him any way you can, basically. You just need some orcs here. Maybe let's say a couple. See what we can build over here. Let's get one of these. Let's get one of these. Fight the chaos and get some money. Is basically the idea. Big level. Weapon strength for giants and trolls, sure, why not? We have one giant. Over here we have some giants and trolls in this army, and we do plan to make some trolls eventually. Yeah, no, that's fine. Well, this is extra leadership. Actually, yeah, does make sense, that's fine. This is gonna be nigh impossible. These guys are gonna murder me, these crossbows are gonna absolutely destroy me. I really need to get my moon howlers into his gauge thrower. This is gonna be a very tough fight. I hope this settlement is reasonably easy to defend, basically. Hammers. With all this XP. Oh, it's that awful settlement that offers me essentially no advantage. place is pretty well defended. Wow. Okay. So, they come from over here? That's right, they come from over here. Okay, cool. They are able to hide in the trees, which is good. Okay, let's bring these guys over here. They're gonna hold here. We're gonna bring the rest of our infantry over here. You guys also here. Archers like so. Sorry guys. And you guys, group 5, we're gonna go over here. Okay. So, let's get now. You guys like here. You here. You are gonna be over here. Because I wish to hide. Archers, draw them into here. Except you're gonna sit over here. And you guys, shock troops over here. And you over here. Alright. Let's get these guys moving. Okay. So, let's speed it up a little bit and get these people moving. They are moving in one tight group, which is very unfortunate for me, because it means I can't pick them off with random attacks from the side. They're just walking forward very slowly. Their crossbows would zone me if I tried to attack anyone. I can maybe get some shots in the back of these guys. Maybe I'll use dwarf warriors with great weapons. That sounds not bad. Alright, let's try and draw a few of their units away. Alright, that's good. This is Ungrim, who's not gonna go, who is never gonna be hidden basically. Alright. Hammer is coming back, that's perfect. Alright, time to evacuate. Oh, what? Why, when you're in skirmish mode, are you charging into these guys right now? guess you can't actually just tell them to shoot. Let's see if the fact that they're in motion right now. No. See, the AI is very good at this, unfortunately. This like bracing whenever you're getting ready to charge them. Come on, are you? Oh, right. No. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's my other cat, by the way? Here. Come on! What? Move! Like, seriously, what's going on? I gave that order like 3 times. No, this is not where I sent you. Can you please go where I fucking told you to charge instead of like randomly changing targets for no reason? Come on! Can I seriously not climb this hill? Is that what's going on? Is that why it's whining at me? Okay. This has been very poorly executed. I pulled these guys out from behind the hill far too early. I should have kept them for much later. It was just very unfortunately done. These guys are still dancing with the dwarf warriors. And we are about to get punished here. Come on. It was also extremely frustrating when you give an order and they just ignore it. Like I've ordered this guy 4 or 5 times to go on the enemy lord, and it just doesn't. Let's just pull you guys back for now. You over here, over here. You guys Base sandwich here, okay. You got poison attacks, right? No. But they have Cinder armor. Oh yeah, that's really good against Lord for sure. I really love how they're able to just chase the unit down when there's another unit on their back just shooting like attacking them. It's not a problem for them. You see how they're just chasing this guy that's withdrawing when there's another unit engaging them in the back? It seems fair, right? No, 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 get the fuck out! Nobody gets engaged by these hammers, ever. You do not ever get in close combat with them. Oh, at least we're gonna get his lord. That's good. Come on, it's just some miners here. Alright. Because I executed this very poorly. But at least it looks like we're going to kill his hammers. But not before he eats up one of my orcs for sure. These guys should do fine. No, you gotta keep shooting here for sure. Yeah, you guys keep doing your thing. These guys. Let's make sure they don't rally. And let's charge this guy in the back. You have to stop him, unfortunately. Let's make sure these guys don't rally. Send these guys back in. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Come on. Looks like it's just the hammers left. Alright, we got him. Troll's got 95 kills. That's alright. Who's left? Oh, there's a unit of Quarros here. Let's get him! We need to keep chasing. Ah, these guys are dead. 10, 11, 6, 5, 2. I'm surprised these guys, like, are they unbreakable? Cause spheres to bigger. No, they're not unbreakable. I'm surprised they're still around. Where's the Dragon Fire Press for sure? Chasing down hammers are gone. speed it up. Tango to this that unit of dwarf war is basically the whole fight, and they come out alive, which the dwarf warriors can't say they did, so not bad. We lost a lot of men, but we killed Thorgrim's entire army essentially. Not essentially, we killed his entire army. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that one. The elimination of these two units not ideal, but it's alright. Use my reinforcement army. Lost 1,000 men. Obsidian ambulance. Alright, fine. A devastating defeat for the dwarves. Not a single soul made it back. I mean, Thorgrim did, but yeah. You shouldn't. Is essentially what I'm getting at, I suppose. Diplomacy. Let's go to war with these guys. To make sure that when they do come out next turn, we are ready to attack them. Like if they try to move, because I can't find them this turn, if they try to use the underway next turn, I can intercept them with this army and crush them. Alright, so since Stone Mine Tower has survived, let's give it a second level improvement. Let's go down here and let's improve our Gold McDowell, I think. It's probably gonna need it at some point. Oh man, they've taken the entirety of the south here, huh? And here. Did they? Yeah, they cleared out the Red Fang. Okay. We'll have to be ready. Oh my lord, it's a lot of knights. Yeesh, they might do just fine against my army. Yes, yes, right. I always forget. Does this even make me any... Yeah, it still makes me money, so... I'd destroy it otherwise. Alright. So, let's start with these guys. Let's make sure. Can I block army? That sounds pretty like exactly what I want. Gorkazan. Really could use an upgrade here. It's the garrison like 3. Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing. Oh, we have some squig herds on extra. Alright, let's upgrade this in Galbaraz. gonna get another rebellion, huh? That's actually really bad. Oh. There should be an option that says like, get out of my lands. I'll give you peace if you stay out of my lands. No. No, we do not want this army to intercept. Can we defeat Grombrindle's army, yeah? No, that's gonna be not in the immediate future. I actually cannot destroy this army with this gobbo.
Moving out. Mr. Stabby.
Come on.
Oh, what's that?
Can I get a success once? Just once, please. Goblins, orc boys, and savage. Oh, everything cool. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, next turn. I kind of wanted to move out my northern army after I destroyed that, but it might be a little too weak still, and I'm concerned that the public order would be a problem if I moved out. Mission issued. Recruit a siege engine for 1 turn. Lock army success, finally. Okay. That's not terrible. Alright, let's get one more rock lover. And let's get a few orcs, and then we're gonna try and go raid over here. Sack this place. Definitely need a goblin watchtower here. Get a Kern is going to declare war on him, yeah. Unsurprising. Oh, and the border princes as well. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna fight here. Finally! Got you rid of that. Come on, Tilia. Don't you want to kill the Chaos armies? Aren't they bad? Aha! Oh my god, they've got all Chaos Warhounds. That's pretty funny, actually. We're gonna make just like one united front of savage orcs to just make sure they can't get around our flanks. Put the archers behind, protect the archers with a second unit of that's fine. Second layer. Here's our Kev. So let's get all the worst orcs in one group. Wurzzag behind them. And the better works in this second group. I'm going to put the archers right here. Wurzzag is here, enemy here, enemy here as well. And the cat is going to just sit behind and we will act on whatever our opponents do. So, from one edge of the map to the other. Can I do it twice? I sure can. Archers are just fine here. Let's put this guy over here. And this guy here. Put a foot of bulk right here. Cat's gonna sit here. Oh wait, do I have to come to them? Of course I do. Because I'm intercepting them. Alright, so. Let's actually just mess with them. I'm going to use this guy to draw them in. How fast are these guys? Speed is 106 and I am 78, so I gotta be careful. You know what? Let's move back a little bit. Rank 2 is gonna be here. Rank 1 is gonna be right here. Maybe right here. Maybe right here. And over here. Yeah. Split these guys up like so. Alright, let's try and draw them in. These guys also have a speed of 105, so we need to get out pronto. The second we're in range, they're probably going to come after us, so. Time to go. Alright. Let's shoot these harpies. orcs take a beating, huh? Alright, Wurzzag, I think right now is probably a good time. And you're still supposed to be hitting their lord. I don't know why you're not doing it. I believe this crushes them, their entire army when you rode in an underway stance. So it looks like we may have lost to one unit of orcs, which is unfortunate, but not game ending, shall we say. Shouldn't be too bad. They fought well though, with 171 kills. These guys did nothing. I wonder where they were. I must have forgotten to send them in. So I don't particularly feel like fighting this. Actually, maybe I will next. Yeah, it's perfect timing to end this part here, and I'll fight this next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Thank you.